We'll just play that out. Well, it's about the Rafale fighter jet deal, and what we're hearing is that the crucial hearing is presently underway in the Supreme Court. This is on the Rafale deal after the government had informed the court of the pricing of those fighter jets in a sealed envelope. Supriya, in fact, joins us for more on this. Supriya, just tell us a little bit more. So the crucial hearing has already begun after the government filed in the court the details, the pricing details of those Rafale jets.
Well, absolutely. Yes, the hearing has begun, Avantika, on the Rafale issue in the Supreme Court where we are. And the information which is trickling out from the Supreme Court is that all the lawyers who have put out their petitions before the Supreme Court seeking that the Supreme Court should intervene and should look into the entire matter are putting out their case. Well, one of our colleagues, Nisha Mathur, she is sending the information, and I quote, the latest being coming that the lawyer for petitioner Vineet Danda is also raising certain points. He's saying how was deal announced before the negotiation started. So this is the moot point, the one of the basic point which the petitioners are saying that there are many discrepancies. The documents which have been filed by the central government are trying to hide more than revealing what is happening. They are raising a point wherein they are saying, and I quote again, Mr. Advocate Mr. M.L. Sharma is saying that there is serious fraud in the decision making. The document filed by the government of India says negotiation between India and France started in May 2015. But in April 2015, the deal was already declared by Prime Minister Modi. So they are saying that intergovernmental agreement was illegal. There should be an inquiry and criminal liability of every person involved in the deal should be fixed. So these are the initial arguments which are taking place in the Supreme Court as far as the Rafale issue is concerned, Avantika. All eyes today, whether from the legal arena or from the political arena, are on Supreme Court because of a simple reason that as far as the Rafale issue is concerned, the lawyers are coming out and asking that the entire matter should be marked for a probe, and which the probe should be under the supervision of the Supreme Court. On the other hand, the opposition is up in arms and they are saying that a JPC, that is the Joint Parliamentary Committee probe, should be initiated in the entire matter of Rafale. Already the Congress party has taken this matter to the doorsteps of CBI and CVC, and we have seen enough politics on this matter which is now being heard in the Supreme Court.
And therefore all eyes would be on the Supreme Court, hoping that the matter would be laid to rest. Undoubtedly, considering that this issue has created a political storm as it is between the BJP and the Congress. Yesterday, Supriya, you had the Dassault CEO rebutting every claim and charge made by the Congress President Rahul Gandhi. And then we heard the Congress saying that these are nothing but manufactured lies. So this issue has been really escalated. So clearly the ball lies in the court now.
Well, see, Avantika, this is the mudda number one, or the issue number one for the Congress party and its President Rahul Gandhi. It is unprecedented. In the past, we have seen that series of press conferences were held by Mr. Gandhi himself. He was giving bites. He was raising this issue in various rallies and public meetings across all poll-bound states. He has raised this matter in the parliament itself. Now, this entire issue has been went to a next level when the former French President, Francois Hollande, came out and said that there was they were pushed, the France was pushed to take Reliance as the partner. So now what has happened is that ever since then, the politics has gone to a next level. 2019 Lok Sabha polls are, it's just the beginning of it, whereas the 5 assembly polls are just round the corner. Opposition is gearing up to corner the government on the issue of the Rafale because they want to prove a point that corruption is rampant under Modi regime. Now, all the lawyers who are here are saying that because no CBI probe has been marked, CVC is also looking into the matter, and a report from CAG is expected. The Supreme Court should take all the documents under it and ensure a probe should take place under its supervision. On the other hand, the opposition parties are saying that let a JPC happen. So there's enough, water which has flown under the bridge.
Absolutely, and the Congress has already rubbished and rejected the Dassault CEO's defense. Supriya, I'm going to just leave it at that. So the crucial hearing has begun. It's presently underway in the Rafale fighter jet deal between India and France. We are going to keep a close watch and we'll keep going back to our correspondents.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.